and Varun.
I think you also met me when you were 18.
Yeah, Varun.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
All the best.
So it's 4 continents, around 12 countries, and this is the 18th IFA. आप जब probably सलमान है
मैं geography में इतना अच्छा है
तो आप बहुत सालों से सफर करते आ रहे हैं, इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल करते आ रहे हैं. इन सालों में आईफा की वजह से कुछ चेंज आपको दिखा इंडियन फिल्म्स के बारे में, इंडियन एक्टर्स के बारे में, ज़्यादा नॉलेज, ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर when you travel abroad?
I think IFA has played a very important role in Indian cinema to international audiences, actually audiences, popularizing them. So IFA is a brand ambassador for Indian cinema. It won't be wrong to say that. I was the first host of IFA in 2000 in London, and it's growing. It's amazing. I think also we get to spend. I don't think we have ever spent so many people time together for full years. So we get to meet each other on a relaxed atmosphere where we don't have to sort of only say our lines or something like that. So that's why I think.
Okay,
and Andre has not aged in the last 18 years at all. Yeah.
Being younger.
Just so sweet.
check his shoes out man. Andre is 15 years old
taking it from.
He can say lots of naughty things when he was 18.
I don't think he'll have a problem also saying it baba करके बोल देगा.
But they have played a very important role in our lives, individual lives also. I think the credit goes to them. They unite actors also, apart from audiences all over the world. At IFA we get very, very...
and on a personal level too.
Yeah.
It's like I've had a great experience working, for them, with them in IFA, but they've been really close to me as friends as well. Whenever something happens, Andre is the first one to come and try to solve it.
Really?
Yeah.
Andre,
Wonderful.
wow. So it's not, this relationship is not just this IFA week, it's the whole year. For me at least.
I'll take on from here. Following to her question, do you think the appreciation for Indian cinema has gone beyond the Indian audience, especially in the US where Hollywood is so big?
No, I think every city has its own charm that we've played worldwide everywhere there. So of course, this place, you would see the reaction. Usually in press conference, this kind of reaction is not, press doesn't, not that you were clapping, but at least some people were clapping and saying all kinds of things. It does make a difference. It has played a very important role, I think.
Definitely Indian cinema is on the global map now, I think, with Dangal and Bahubali recently doing so well. I think Bahubali did around 25 million just in North America.
And now Judwa 2 is going to go to the next level.
Varun and Alia, this is hi.
Hi,
This is your first IFA, so
we are very excited to see you over
What
here.
a welcome you
We are
got
so
from
excited to
Alia.
see Farid over there.
So how excited are you guys for first time?
Alia?
I'm very excited. Also, the stadium is just so big and overwhelming, and I'm just really super nervous because I'm performing first. So it's now you have to like kind of start the energy, and I'm dancing so much that I really don't know whether I'll be able to walk to the green room after that to get ready for the red carpet. But I'll try.
What about you?
Definitely, I think one thing that when you are performing on stage, you want to see how the stage is, how the flooring is, how everything is, and this, I think Katrina really gets into this, and it's interesting discussing this with her. But it's an amazing, amazing venue, something I've never seen in my life before, like for any Indian award show. This is the best venue ever for any Indian award show.
Thank you.
Salman, do you remember the first award that you won, and what was that moment like, and how did you celebrate that first award that you got in your career?
So, I've never won an award. And
You have.
yeah, some supporting which I
आपने दिल जीते हैं.
तो जो रिवॉर्ड अच्छा लगता है, अवार्ड अच्छे लगते नहीं. तो इसके पीछे ये स्टोरी है कि मुझसे किसी एडिटर ने, किसी मैगजीन के एडिटर ने मैंने प्यार किया के लिए he requested me to come for that function. और I don't know, I think it was Filmfare, So they said you must come, you must come, you must come, you must come, insisting कि वो award मिल जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, nomination में हो, etc. 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 तो जब nominations announce हुए, नया था, तो when they said Salman Khan, Jackie Shroff, and I think there was somebody else. So when they said Salman Khan, I stood up to go and take the award, and they said the award goes to Jackie Shroff. I said, इसके बाद कभी नहीं आऊँगा.
So what changed your mind then to?
So I don't receive awards. I just go and perform on stage. And if they want me for such a bad performance, they're paying me for it, I'm more than happy. More than happy. Literally खड़े होके थकने के पैसे मिलते हैं. फूल होगा कि अगर नहीं होगा.
Okay, guys, last two
What's
questions.
the plan to say? How are you planning to celebrate Katrina's birthday? Any plan?
Yeah. It is a national event. I think India में 16 जुलाई की छुट्टी तो है ही. उसके बाद अब यहाँ पे भी शायद हो जाए.
Last question to Varun. Juraju is coming up. Did you feel any pressure stepping into Salman's shoes? How is it? And Salman, you are also a part of it.
We just shot a scene just now. It was beautiful.
What was that scene?
No, I just say it's a very memorable.
Would you like to see the whole film? Put it back
part of my life.
Perform? Would you do that as well?
Excuse me.
I think it's a big moment for me to share screen space with him, and especially in this film directed by my father, produced by Sajid sir. And I don't want to say much. I think let the film speak for itself. And
Let my work talk first.
I am in both the Judwans.
so yeah.
So I've known Varun since he was smaller than Bharti.
Yeah,
What would you like to say about
6 years old you were.
Yeah,
6 years old. 6, 7 years old.
What would you like to say about Tiger Zinda Hai?
Get Tigers in there.
thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
But it's also a joy to see all of you familiar faces.
What's your favorite thing about me?
Thank you. That's wonderful.
As a woman.
I think the film industry is the best industry. As a woman, I think
Come now, come.
as long as
That's
you
what, ma'am. Excuse me. Nobody will move.
any woman who makes whatever feels